Hi guys, my name's Marty and we're here in my backyard. I'm going to make an absolutely delicious dish, charred broccolini with a lemon pepper mayo. If you cook your broccolini in a steamer, in the microwave, in a pot, they're going to be cooked, they're going to be delicious. But if we do them over the live fire, we're going to get the beautiful kiss of the charcoal and it's going to completely change the taste and the texture. So to kick things off, season with olive oil and salt. Now be generous with your salt. And literally it's that simple. Now we're going to take it over here. And the secret here is you want your charcoals as hot as you can. Basically, you want these guys to catch, so you want some gnarly, dark, burnt bits. With this, we're going to have a beautiful lemon pepper mayo. We just need a couple of tablespoons of your favourite mayonnaise, seasoned with salt, some lemon zest, 2 teaspoons of pepper. Now the next thing to go into the dressing is some lemon juice. You want relatively thin, so you can drizzle it over the top. So we're going to get these guys off. And to finish it, I'm just going to throw over a few drips of lemon, and then we're going to go all over the top with our dressing. And if you want to add a little bit of an extra twist to it, a little bit of a Mediterranean feel, I've got in here some dukkha, which is some toasted spices and seeds and nuts, and you can just throw this on top at the end, and there we go, ready to eat, which is what I'm going to do now. It's still very hot.